Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research. Try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the brand Hilaire. Hilaire is another French brand from Paris, and they are a designer company. Their main business is designer clothing, but they have quite an extensive perfume lineup in their portfolio, probably around 10 for men, 10 for ladies, or something in that account. They've been around for almost 30 years, so they are quite, they're not very well known, but they are quite well known. And I unboxed and reviewed at least one fragrances from them before. The smell was superbly good. The only thing is it didn't perform. I mean, it performed around 3-4 hours, which was quite weak side. But when I saw this, just a new release just came out a few weeks ago, I thought I'll give it another go with this brand to see if they have a better offering, in terms of ratio for what I pay and what I get. So don't forget, this brand is on the reasonable side, around under £30 or so. This one is called Hilaire for Men Unique. Hilaire for Men Unique. Nice box, got a texture to it, and it's got a French logo, French flag in the back, and it's Eau de Perfume 100 ml. In United Kingdom you can find it under £30. In other parts of the world you have to do your research, see if it comes up and how much it goes for if you are interested. So this is in line of what I've been doing for the last few weeks, which is fresh fragrances for summer, which I call them fresh summer videos. So before I do the unboxing, please, if you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please don't forget to hit those buttons. Your movement of finger, it can make a huge difference for me. It makes it a deal breaker basically. It either keeps me in the business, keep me in this endeavor to carry on, to bring you fragrances that are unique, nobody else is talking about. There are hidden gems, or basically this business, this endeavor, this hobby will catch up with me, and I have to say goodbye to you, and I can't do it anymore because it's an expensive endeavor. I get around 10% of what I put in the videos back from the YouTube. So imagine 10%, only 90% is going from my own pocket. So please, your support will make a huge difference. So basically, thank you for your likes, thank you for your comments, thank you for your shares, thank you for your subscription, which is free, by the way. 85% of people who watch my videos, they're not subscribed. If you could do that, that would be a great help. Thank you. If you want to support me by buying one of my own perfumes, I'm a perfumer myself. I make my own line of perfumes. They are true handmade perfume just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I leave them in the link. That would be great, but you get something very, very beautiful, the highest quality ingredients in the world for what you're paying. If you want to buy me a coffee, you could do that. It's in the description how you could do that. Thank you very much. As always, let's go. So beautiful, quite nice box. It's got blue tinge to it, which is quite nice. Attention to detail is there. Sorry about the noise. Okay, so it's a bright blue, and let's see what is the bottle. The bottle is very good looking. When you see it, when you feel it, it doesn't feel like under £30. It's a very heavy bottle, very thick. Again, the color is light blue. The cap is very, very heavy. It's dense plastic, but it's quite heavy. And the atomizer is modern and silver, and it says here made in France. Fragrance for men, sorry, fragrance for men. So very very nice looking. It's got this mesh metal design to it. Very nice. So far so good. Okay, let's see the atomizer. The atomizer is okay. It's not the greatest, but it's not bad. It does the job. Anyway, so how is Saint Hilaire for Men Unique Eau de Parfum 100 ml? And here we go. First and first impression. Ooh, very very fresh. So as the color suggests, this is very fresh. This is very very summery feel to it. So it's very fresh. It's very inviting. It's very happy, and quite citrusy right now. Yeah, I can smell lemon, I can smell bergamot, I can smell grapefruit, maybe even a little bit of lime. So you opened up with a massive citrus, and the citrus here is lifting it and is making it very, very bright and happy and captivating. Maybe even a little bit of orange in here, because I can smell something zesty in here as well. It's got a woody backbone, but the woods are very very clean in here, most likely to be a combination of cedar and sandalwood to making it a woody base to carry everything together. It's a little bit on the green side. I can smell something leafy, green, grassy, most likely to be a vetiver in here, and the vetiver in here is quite clean again, very clean. Everything in here is very clean, so it's a very summery, very clean fragrance, very happy fragrance so far. Quite fruity. Apart from the zestiness of the citruses, I can smell something fruity like apple. But is it green apple? Is it red apple? I think it's like a green apple. So it's appley. It's let's be on the fruity side as well. It's got very aromatic feel to it, which is most likely to be lavender. It's very aromatic, a little bit on the soapy side, a little bit on the powdery side, tiny bit, not much, and very very again very aromatic and quite soft in the mid. Probably there is other floral in here, but overall it's quite a complex fragrance for I paid for it. I paid under £30 for this beauty. So far so good. It smells very very nice. It's got a herbal feel as well. Apart from the grassy feel and the leafy feel, it's got a herbal feel to it. A hint of spiciness, but not much. It's just fresh spiciness, but a little bit of herbal feel to it as well. And making it very, again, very inviting, very happy, very bright, very, very summery feel to it. Overall, although it smells very, very fresh, but it's not a simple fragrance. It has got a depth to it, and it's a little bit on the complex side as well. Yeah, so overall for a first impression, opened up super citrusy, quite fruity, a little bit of floral, aromatic, tiny bit of green, spicy, grassy, leafy feel to it, and a little bit of spicy as fresh spices, and very woody in the base. We have cedar and combination of cedar and sandalwood to making it quite smooth and very very smooth. So this fragrance for a fresh fragrance is very very smooth. It's very smooth, it's very well rounded, it's very well blended, smells beautiful, smells very very good. The only thing is we have to wait and see how is the performance. If the performance is anything good, we have a big bang on our hand. It smells gorgeous. Yeah, it smells classy, smells beautiful. Although it's a fresh fragrance and it's very friendly and it's very happy, but it's got a class to it, it's got a depth to it, it's got a complexity to it, which is quite nice. So it's very, very good for going out, for evening, for close encounter, for basically dating and things like that. It smells very, very nice. Yeah, it's quite green as well, very nice. Okay, so the coloring is quite appropriate. It's the blue color, is quite watery. But the water is here is fresh water, okay? It's not oceanic or sea salty or anything like that. So it's quite a fresh water to it, and it's a little bit of green feel to it, a little bit of leafiness, a little bit of herbal feel, grassy feel, and also very, very fresh, very zesty, very citrusy in the beginning, quite fruity. The fruits are here. It looks like a green apple to it, a tinge to it. and the base is very woody. I smell cedar, I smell vetiver, but they are very, very clean, giving a little bit of soapiness as well, a little bit of soapy, a little bit of powdery, a little bit of dusty feel to it. Not much, just a hint of it. But overall, what a beautiful fragrance. I was quite surprised. I mean, the last one I unboxed and reviewed from St. Helier smells very good. The only problem with it didn't perform well. So if this one performs well, then we have a beautiful fragrance which is worth every penny. At the moment, for the first impression, yes, I give it 2 thumbs up. It smells great, smells very nice, smells very inviting, very fresh, very happy, very summery, but not on the simple side. It's quite deep and dense, and also got complexity to it, which is very, very nice. So in terms of age, I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side, to making it, because it's got a little bit of that classical feel to it as well, because of that green genre to it. It's quite modernized, but it is a little bit on the classical side as well. In terms of who is it for, this is for people they like their fresh fragrances to have a little bit of complexity, and very inviting, very happy, very easygoing as well. In terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. You can dress it up, dress it down, formal, informal, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual, anything you want. Very, very versatile. Could be easily somebody's signature scent. In terms of season, definitely is better suited for warmer weather, for spring and summer. But because it's got a depth to it, if it lasts, in the next video I'll report back the performance and things like that. If it lasts, then you can use it even in winter, no problem. And in terms of what else, season 6, although it's aimed for men, if you like this kind of fragrances, you can easily wear it as if you're a lady. As always, smell, perfumes, fragrances, food, drink, color, they don't have gender. It's all marketing BS. Don't fall for it. If you like a smell, wear it. If you don't like a smell, don't wear it. As simple as that. So this is very, very nice. So far, so good. In the first impression, I'm absolutely loving it. And in the next video, I'll let you know the rest of it. But for now, yes, it's very, very good, especially for the price, especially for you know, the fresh fragrance. Smells very, very nice. Okay guys, if you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future. Nobody else is talking about. Their amazing value for money, great smell, and they are amazing. They are hidden gems, and this one looks like it's going to be a hidden gem. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, one of my own perfumes, and support me that way and get something very beautiful in return, you could do that. I'll leave them in the link. They are ultra beast mode, 100% natural, amazing value for money, no additives, no preservative, no alcohol, just pure perfume oils in there, just making it very unique. There are 20 of them. They're all different from each other, and they are mesmerizingly beautiful. They are mysterious, unique, artistic perfumes. And as always, I'll leave them in the link. Thank you very much, and I'll see you later. Bye.